Hello, this is the Drivers Collection Car Show today. We're at the Drivers Collection Car Show and we're going to be looking around at all different cars. This is a BMW E30. As you can see, this car is very nice and clean. I think the car is very nice and clean, and the engine is very good as well, because that's very clean as well. This is the JDX 100. I like the look of this car because I like the white, because I think it matches with the white. I think it's pretty cool. I really like the blue in the paint, and I do like the white colour with it. I think it's pretty cool.
Even the kids closer than you.
This is an S15. I like the wheels. Same as the car, it's white. This is an S14. My stepdad's car. What we did my intro in. Here's this car, but he's building it again. This is a 350Z. And there's a car on this. If you watch Hyperdrive, you'll see this. You'll know this car. This is an MX-5 Turbo with lots of carbon bits. I really like the front of the car. I think it's pretty cool. This is an RX-7 track car with 600 horsepower. This is a Porsche Cayman S. I really like the wheels on this one. This is a supercharged R32 Golf. It has Porsche brakes on it. Now we're having some food. We've got fish and chips. Delicious. Look at this old Golf. It's really clean and slammed. And as you can see, it's really close to the ground. This car's a really old school interior. This car fell out my nose. Oh, it's a bogey. This is an American car. That's it at the bottom, and it goes up. And when you, as you go forward, it gets lower and lower to the ground. This is the front. This is another American car. It's got some stickers on. What's up, Doc? Where you going today? In the future. This is an S14. Look at this baby. I think it's pretty cool. No, if you comment below if you like it. The exhaust is big. I like the silver. Silver and silver, it goes good with it. This one's pretty cool. I don't know if you like it, but I do. This one's got a page. This is a rat lux beetle. I don't know if that's just the paint or it's been hit. At the back, it doesn't take water. It doesn't have water in it. It takes air, and you can see that it's got burn marks on it. On the grass now, it's put burn marks on the grass. This car's got a Light McQueen sticker on it. It's got Porsche wheels. This is another Porsche. I quite like this engine. It's pretty cool.
Think they're comfy in them seats, Preston?
Yeah.
You know you've shot that.
This is a mini moke based on an old Mini. I think it's cool because it's got no roof on it. This is an old Mercedes. I don't know if you can see it. The smoke's coming out. I like that it's black. I think that's pretty cool. It does match with the silver back.
Do like the fire.
And I like the front as well. It's pretty cool. Hi guys, we've just got home. And my favourite car was the bogey one. I think it was quite funny. I don't know if you liked it, but if you liked car show videos, subscribe for more. Peace. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe. Peace.